Hello students, next topic is approaching steady state, a numerical example. Let's use a numerical example to see how the Solow model works and how the economy approaches the steady state. For this example, we assume that production function is y equals to k raised to power half times L raised to power half. 30% of output is saved, 10% of the capital stock depreciates every year. So here we have our production function. To derive the per worker production function, that is Fk, divide both sides of the production function by the labor force, that is L. So what we will do? Will divide it by labor force. So y by L equals to k raised to power half times L raised to power half upon L equals to k raised to power half upon L raised to power half equals to k by L raised to the power half. Okay. Next step, we can write y by L as small y equals to k by L can be written as small k raised to the power half. So output per worker equals to capital per worker raised to power half, that is under root k. Per worker production function is y equals to Fk equals to root k, where y denotes output per worker and k denotes capital per worker. This form of the production function states that output per worker equals the square root of the amount of capital per worker. We have already seen this equation in our last video, which states that change in capital stock equals investment minus depreciation, where small s denotes the saving rate and delta denotes the depreciation rate. At steady state, change in capital stock equals 0 because at steady state investment equals depreciation. Steady state level of capital is denoted by K star. In the next step, we can write delta K star equals to S F K star. Next step, K star upon Fk star equals S upon delta. So at steady state, this equation is satisfied. This one. We need to find this steady state level of capital, but to find this we need the values of Fk star, saving rate and depreciation rate. So here we have our per worker production function in which we have stated that Fk equals to root k. So Fk star will be root k star, and 30% of output is saved. That means saving rate equals to 0.30. This information is given in the question. And 10% of the capital stock depreciates every year. That means depreciation rate denoted by delta equals to 0.10. So we can write K star upon root K star equals to saving rate is 0.30, depreciation rate is 0.10. Next step, root K star equals to 3. Next step, K star equals to 3 square equals to 9. K star equals to 9. So we can write the steady state capital stock is 9 units per worker. Thank you.